here we're gonna make
We're gonna make a big water balloon, and then we're gonna slow it down for you guys so you can see it in super slow-mo and slow-mo and regular. Okay, one sec. I need to pause it, and then we're gonna empty it out so that we can make it bigger. Okay, empty it out. This is going on Facebook, you know.
I know. I'm putting it right here. There's nothing wrong. I'm not trying to do anything.
Ah, don't give my camera away. It's not waterproof. Ah.
Die, camera, die.
I need to zoom in then.
What?
Okay, I'm gonna put it on and I'm gonna start it.
Wait, it's not ready yet. Hold on. Brian was a chicken and he said, oh, my camera's gonna get wet, so I'm gonna stand there so I can make it self-sabotage to get like those drenched.
Yeah.
Everyone watching is Brian was afraid of a water balloon. Now we're gonna...
No, I was afraid of my camera getting dead.
Yeah, sure. Alright, have the break, guys.
Ready?
So remember me. Goodbye, cool world. Not right now, but soon.
Tell me when to stop.
Oh, how you guys. I don't know how to do it.
I can't see it.
Then come closer. Oh yeah, it's pretty good now.
Okay. Now once again, empty it for the last time.
We should harden so empty.
No, that might make it pop.
Oh well. It'll have a bigger explosion. I have a big explosion sooner than expected.
It'll make it pop like when you're pushing it, so.
There's a lot of water coming out of that thing.
It's been a 1 minute, 42 seconds.
Slowly shrinking fast. Faster!
Okay.
Alright, go. Okay, I'm gonna go. So the video is like 5 minutes like the last.
Ready?
Go. This one's gonna be it. Oh my.
Okay, this one's gonna be the big one. It's gonna be huge. Wait, I think we should do it one more time.
Yeah, we'll do it one more time. Just to add some suspense to you guys.
Yeah, adding suspense.
It's actually already popped one, but
Yeah.
we didn't get on film.
Okay, wanna stop it?
Alright, stop it.
It has been.
Look at this thing. And we're gonna make it even bigger than this.
Like twice the size.
Yeah, we're gonna make it like huge. Last time we did it, and then we put it on Brian, but then Brian got taken out, so then me and Brian like stood next to it, and then it exploded.
I would've been covered in blood because the rubber would like slash my leg apart.
Oh, that's cool. Alright. Well, you go. Well, yeah, this is gonna take a while.
I'm showing them what's it on the bottom of the trampoline.
Yeah, look at the rain on the bottom of the trampoline.
It's raining.
The grass is getting its water.
Yeah. Too much. It's been 3 minutes.
We're throwing balloons at each other over here, and then it went crazy.
3 minutes, 12 seconds.
Alright. Really? I didn't think it took that long. It's only been like 1 minute.
Okay. This is gonna be it.
Alright. Moment we've all been waiting for, I think.
Ready?
Yep. The moment I think that you've all been waiting for.
Yeah.
You're like not really interested.
Should we add more suspense? Because normal videos are more than like 5 minutes.
Yeah, okay, more suspense.
Ha! More suspense for you.
Hey, don't blame me, okay?
Yeah, it's my idea.
Let's keep big, okay? I'm gonna let it go.
I'm gonna let it stop now.
Yeah, you probably let it stop. Yeah, you probably let it stop now. Look at this thing. It's like a pillow. I really like suicidal pillow.
Okay, now let it out.
Blub, blub, blub.
Okay, the last one, for sure.
I think. Unless it comes off, then that sucks.
Yeah. Sucks for you, not us. Because we can do this all day.
Yeah, we can do this all day. You have to wait.
Yeah.
Because we feel like making it.
Yeah, and if you fast forward to
It's so heavy, I can't pick it up.
if you guys fast forward to the end, we're gonna kill you. We're gonna hunt down where you live and then kill you.
We'll find you and then we'll kill you.
Yeah, Nick, the reason you're gonna be the one that's gonna be famous on YouTube because you know I'm not really in the video at all.
Yay! Yeah! Wait, you're posting these on YouTube?
And Facebook.
You do the YouTube? What's your YouTube account?
Blast Ninja 4.
Blast Ninja 4? What kind of video is that?
Huh? I have one video and it really sucks. But I mean, it was like a pivot video. It's like an animation thing.
Oh.
Except not 3D.
Well, then now put this one on now.
Okay, now it's been 5 minutes. Okay, so last one for sure. I promise.
But I wonder if like something happens and like falls off.
Okay, ready?
This sucks for you, like I said all along.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, by the way, I'm not Brian Harmon. The guy who's filming this is Brian Harmon.
Yeah, I'm Brian Harmon. That's
Whoa!
Holy crap!
Holy!
Oh!
That could have been really bad. I would have had to let go of it because we don't want a weasel.
That's a weasel right now. That's a weasel. Push the head back in.
There we go.
There we go. Push the head back in.
Yeah. Get you back.
I'm gonna back up now, but you guys, I'm gonna zoom in for you guys, so it's pretty much like I'm still there. I'm backing up actually.
Yeah, and zoom in though. Okay.
That's huge.
All right, this is really big.
I'm gonna put this in regular, slow-mo, and super slow-mo. I'm backing up a little more.
Yeah, you're gonna put the explosion
Regular, slow-mo, and super
Whoa,
slow-mo.
hey, the weasel head's coming out.
Okay.
No.
Okay, here it comes. It's gonna die. 6 minutes.
It's like an oversized holy shit.
Oh my god.
This is like being alive. What am I doing?
Holy crap, your hand is humongo.
Yeah, look at my thumb. It's huge. That's my thumb.
Okay, it's gonna die like now. 6 minutes, 6 minutes and
It's leaking.
Oh!